children. Since we have completed our history syllabus, let us now start with the revision for our upcoming annual exams. Today we will be doing the revision first with chapter New Empires and Kingdoms. Since this is the last lesson that we have completed and it will be a little bit fresh for you. I hope you all are watching the videos of the lessons very attentively. Okay. So let us start with state whether the given sentences are true or false. Sentence 1. Harisena composed a prashasti in praise of Gautamiputra Shri Satkarni. True or false? Well, who was Harisena? He was the poet of which emperor? Harisena was the emperor and court minister of Emperor Samudragupta. Then why should he write the prashasti in praise of Gautamiputra Shri Satkarni? So this sentence is false. Harisena composed prashasti in praise of Emperor Samudragupta, not Gautamiputra Shri Satkarni. Okay. Second sentence. The rulers of Aryavarta brought tribute for Emperor Samudragupta. Okay children, now who were the rulers of Aryavarta? Aryavarta is the region that belongs to the northern rulers. Now these Aryavarta rulers were defeated very badly and their kingdoms were taken away by Emperor Samudragupta. So they could not bring the tributes, but they had to give up their regions to Samudragupta. So this sentence also is false. Now let us see sentence 3. There were 12 rulers in Dakshinapad. What is Dakshinapad? The southern part of our country. And yes, there were 12 rulers ruling the Dakshinapad or the way to the south. So this sentence again is true. Sentence 4. Takshila and Madurai were important centers under the control of Gupta rulers. This sentence is false. Why? Because the regions under the control of Gupta were not Takshila and Madurai, but they were Patliputra, or what we know as Patna in modern Indian times. Second region was Ujjain in the state of Madhya Pradesh, and the third region was Prayag, which we now know as Allahabad or Prayagraj. So this sentence is false. Now sentence 5. Aihole was the capital of Pallavas. Was it? No. The capital of Pallavas was not Aihole, but it was Kanchipuram. So sentence 5 is false. Now let us see the sixth sentence. Local assemblies functioned for several centuries in South India. Now which were these local assemblies? The local assemblies were that of the sabhas, which consisted of the Brahmins who looked after the lands that was under their control. The second assembly was that of the Urs, which was looked after by the non-Brahmins, and the third assembly was that of Nagarams, which was looked after and taken care of by the merchants of the commercial towns. So this and this assemblies, they did indeed function for many hundreds of years. So this sentence is true. Now let us see the last sentence of this exercise. The Chinese pilgrim Fa Xin visited India during the Gupta period. Yes, there were two Chinese pilgrims who visited our country. And during the Gupta period, Fazin visited our country. He was one of the two Chinese pilgrims. So again, this sentence is correct. And with this, we complete the true and false exercise of our